Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys what we saw on the Goat app. So anyway, let's go and show you guys. I got one of this one is zebra and the other one is Oreo. By the way, I lose my challenge because I have a competition with my viewers saying that how long I can leave my fingernails the longest. Supposed to extend it for another week, but somehow a couple of them broke, so I ended up cutting all of them. So that's that. So yeah, anyway, the zebra from the Adidas Yeezy, they keep on restocking, so the value keep on going down due to supply and demand. So, and then this is the Oreo. I believe this zebra we sold it for around $400. But you know, the gold, and then they charge about 10%. Plus, if you take out the money, it's about an additional 2.9 plus $5 charge for the shipping label. And this one was about 1,049, the Oreo, because the value is pretty high up there. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and take this out real quick. And this is the original one. So we've been selling two at the blue tent. One was 9.5, and then the other one was 8.5. So yeah, this one is the zebra, and I believe this one was like manufactured in 2017. Yeah, this one's March 2017. I believe this one was like a second release, because the first release we didn't cop it. I should have saw this back then. It was about $800 or $900, but it is what it is. This one's the BY1604, core black, core white, core black, size 9.5. So right here. So yeah, I just want to go over this. You know, it's like a stock market. It's go up and down like a roller coaster, and also depends if the company keep on restocking, the value is not gonna stay up. So since they haven't restocked this pair, the value was pretty high up there. Okay. So yeah, anyway, if you guys want to sell something that is gonna make you more money, I would suggest you to go with the Goat, because somehow compared to StockX, it's lower, and a lot of people are complaining sometimes they don't get their money, and I think they charge $13.99 for or $95 for shipping fee, and then they've been increasing their fees and stuff like that. So a lot of people try to avoid from StockX. Although I also sell on eBay, but somehow eBay people trust more on Go or StockX. But eBay I've been selling a couple here and there. So, but just some buyers, they might be picky and stuff like that. So yeah. So yeah. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And yeah, happy selling. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.